What's going on, guys? Chaseontwowheels here for an impromptu video. Here's my situation. I'm going to run you guys through the situation, and then I'm going to tell you what we're going to be doing today. It's going to involve, I chose the most perfect day to wear a CFMOTO shirt. So guys, a few videos ago, you guys saw that CFMOTO gave us my brand new ADV bike. This is the 2023 CFMOTO Ibex 800T. This is their ADV off-roading model. I have a photo shoot to go to with my buddy John over at Infinite Wraps today, and I have a lot of equipment to take, and it's like an hour drive. I rode in this morning with some of that equipment with this revival bag on the back of the Zero, which actually worked out super well, but that's not gonna make it an hour trip, and I wanna spend more time on my CFMOTO. I haven't got to ride it as much as I want because that's been the loaner bike recently, so I gotta ride that. So we're gonna do a little build video today because the biggest box over here is one of the things that almost every ADV bike has, and that is storage. CFMOTO has sent out their like hard panniers that go on the back here. Now I don't know how they're installed. We'll find out today. They attach here. There's a top case and then one on the side. We're gonna unbox them today. We're gonna get them installed on the bike because right after I film this video, I gotta head out on my own little adventure, and I get to do it on the bike build, ADV bike build. If you guys love bike builds, you'll notice our R6 is over here. We are waiting on a few things to get done on it, but you can actually win this one. $5 over at WBRgarage.com. Win yourself an R6M. Bo, that box is, you could fit in that box, I think. Yeah, so I think this is the only one, guys. This is like, stand next to the box for like reference. Oh my God. That, just for reference, that's how big that box is. I read the side of that box, and from what I understand, that is all the casing. So let's get it unboxed and let's see what's in it, and let's get it on this bike. As you guys can tell, I don't have a lot of time, so on we go! Guys, it feels so old school to be working on a bike on the ground. Like, we know why, because, you know, there's no rear tire. It's very old school. All right, guys, I'm gonna get this thing unboxed and we're gonna see what's in it. Hopefully there's 3 aluminum boxes. Nope. Sweet. Damn, this knife is sharp. Is this a knife and what knife? All right. All 3?
All 3.
All 3! All right, that's what we want.
Oh, these are nice, man.
This is like CFMOTO stuff. This is no aftermarket. This is literally what they offer on their website.
They have the little plastic bumpers on the corners.
All right, we need to get these unboxed tonight. I'm too short.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh,
bro.
Wow.
Guys, look at the bottom. And like, look at
the back of it.
Look at the package. Look at that.
Bro,
So this is from CFMOTO like this.
This is locking to the thing. This locks to this.
Right.
And this locks the top. So it's a double lock situation.
Dude, this is from them.
This
is not after. Like,
this is a legit little thing.
And can you guys tell?
Oh, satisfying.
Hold on. Can you guys tell that this is like holographic? Do you see that? Dude, this is the most substantial thing ever.
Bro.
Check out the custom, like, sizing so that it fits like perfectly on.
Yeah, this is
like legitimately like super impressive. Is that a backrest?
Yeah.
What? So the top case comes with freaking backrest?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be so easily convincing my wife that, like, look, bigger seat, backrest.
Yep.
This is amazing.
I'm gonna fall asleep. It's also got latch points for like
strap and stuff.
Yeah,
dude, this okay. CFMOTO, fair play, my guys. We are not paid to do any of this. CFMOTO just sent it out, and we have no reason to tell you guys anything other than what we actually think.
No obligation.
Yeah, I have no contract to say anything. So it's literally like, hey, take the stuff, see what you like.
And again, this is all OEM.
So this looks to be a top plate that we will install on the back. So this is really the only install of the whole situation. Dude, look at the inside.
Yeah. Did you feel
the inside literally has like a cover.
It's like a
that's
velvet.
soft.
Did you feel how tight that seal was?
Yes, dude, I could go through a tsunami in this thing. Wow, this is exciting as hell.
This one is real good.
I don't know why, but I didn't expect this to be this exciting. There's that. Let me show the people close-ups of all this stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a look at this and see how this.
Like, guys, I have to show you this stuff because it's so legit. All right, so this is the top plate that will get installed back here. Bo's currently looking through the instructions real quick. Got the little badging on the back. Obviously, we're gonna take you guys through like installing that real quick. Looks just probably like 4 bolts, shouldn't be a problem. Check out the top case. All of these have little branding. Experience more together, gladly. So we have the latching top. We've got this kind of suede material so your stuff just bang around. That's awesome. So not only does the top lock with a key, sorry, but the bottom actually locks to the bike as well. So that way, if you want to literally like leave the bike, you don't have to worry about your shit getting stolen. Here is our left side case. You guys can see all of the mounting hardware there on the back. Oh wait, this is the first video where people have seen the bow stash. So you guys let us know in the chat or in the comments, what do you guys think about the bow stash? Hold on. Bo doesn't know if he likes it or not, and his wife most certainly doesn't like it, but we're working on it.
It's growing on me. It's growing on me.
All right, so we still have that material here as well.
It's removable.
Oh, so if you don't want it, you don't got to have it.
Well, yeah, but you don't have to clean it.
Oh, you can just throw it in the washer. Oh, that's awesome. All right, we love that. All right, final one is the exhaust side. And obviously with the exhaust side, you got to have the like customized
cutout. So how much space do you lose? It's actually not horrible.
But this is very normal for the exhaust side. It's always smaller. You actually, most of the exhaust sides, they just go straight up and they're just thinner. So you actually get
a little bit more on top.
A wider on top. That's really cool, actually. On the exhaust side, you have, obviously, you got to worry about this guy. What's the thoughts on getting this installed real quick?
So it says that we have to remove these bolts because we're going to put standoffs on that.
Cool. Let's get the camera on tripod and check it out. There's no way those are going to go into that. Ah, that's where it goes. So they go into those.
Let's see if that matches up. Boom.
Yeah, so you do remove the plastic guard.
It didn't say to remove it.
If you look at the plastic piece and you put the metal piece on top, you would think that these holes on the top of the plastic match these four. Not the case. If you take this off, there's actual hardware mounting there and there. It looks like we leave these guys on.
Yeah, because those are holding the supports.
Okay. So then you put these on and now all the holes match up. And you just got to include these spacers. And you said the long boys are in the front?
Long boys in the front, those in the rear.
Cool. Let's get it installed. All right, rear plate on. It is a unit. Next up is we need to see, we gotta see if this will, this top case will fit on now. All right, so those slot into the back, just straight on.
Bro, this thing's about to look so good.
That system is really cool because getting it off is not complicated. It's literally unlatch and move forward.
Well, look at the way they have this elevated.
Right, that's what I'm saying. Like you literally just put it on there.
There's no real fiddling with it. It's just boom, and then.
So these are our keys. All right, so that is now locked. That can't go anywhere.
Well, they're two unlocked.
Hey, the same key. That's really nice that both of the locks are the same because now you're not fiddling. I can literally write back on this and just.
Also, it's the same key, all of them?
Oh, actually, that's a good point. Because that'd be really fucking cool. I doubt that they'd give the same.
Well, let's see. Let me see that key.
All right, so back key.
Okay.
All right, this is key for top case. See if it'll fit the side case. That would be no freaking shot. I only have to keep one of these little keys on my key ring.
You've got like 16 spares.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That is how that should be sent. This is the benefit of ordering all of these from the same company, because they can like key code every one of your boxes, both entry and install with one key. All right.
Key, sir?
Oh, yes, my one little baby key.
One key to rule them all?
One key to rule them all. That's not going to focus.
Last thing to make sure that it's official.
Okay, official. All right, top case official.
Nice.
I'm not going to lie, I was a little worried that I was going to have 3 extra keys and I'd like write back on the back of them.
I was a little concerned about what the quality of these things were going to be, but like good gaskets.
They look substantial online, so I wasn't worried about that. But when we opened all 3, I was like, bro, I don't want to carry 6 extra keys with me, but only having 1 and then a backup somewhere, that is slick. All right, we're going to get the rest of these installed and we'll see what the bike looks like with all of them on there. All right, so here's the final. Let's go. Let's get you guys a front view. Dude, hold on, folks. Come over here, put the top down and come look at the bike from this angle. If this is not required for ADV bikes, I've got no idea what is. So guys, check this out. Not only, I mean, we already have seen these are nice things, but you also get tie downs on every freaking corner with little like hard plastic,
That helps when it gets smacked or dropped.
And you can tie down like God knows how much stuff with all of those extra things.
I was looking see if it had a weight limit. Side box is 18 pounds. Top box 11 pounds.
I don't know.
I mean, that's okay.
Okay.
I mean, like, to put that in perspective, my big camp bag, which is a 40 liter,
right,
it has all of my camping things in, weighs 10 pounds.
Oh, that's plenty.
Yeah.
All right, let's get this thing rolled outside and do some B-roll and check this thing out. You're locked. You're locked. And you're locked. All right, guys, out in the open. Look at this. Hell freaking yes. I think we need a B-roll segment, bro.
Hold on.
What kind of music are you going to play for this B-roll segment?
Hold on. Ooh.
Oh, how's the backrest? How's the backrest? Is it good?
That is good. It's good. I mean, you definitely feel like it's a hard part, but it's not this.
Right.
So it's got enough cushion. It sits right in your lumbar.
Nice. That's going to be so nice for a passenger. All right, get up so I can do a B-roll. Alrighty guys, check them out. That is it for the hard cases on the CFMOTO Ibex. I'm gonna get these things full of camera gear and I'm gonna head out for my photo shoot because this thing is one step closer to being ADV ready. What's going on, guys? It's the next day, or technically it's Monday morning. I rode in on the Ibex and I realized on that last video I didn't even tell you guys and show you how much stuff I got fit inside of these bags. So this morning, since I rode in with all my stuff and more, I'm gonna show you guys what you can hold in these bags. We're gonna get it all placed on that table. So first things first, top box. It has the most storage. So I have my book bag. I also threw a kettle in there because I'm going to be making coffee stuff this morning. So a kettle, book bag. This has got my lenses. It had my laptop. It has my laptop in it. Left side. I love that these do this so that if they come unlocked, it holds it. Hold on, let's do this. Protein powder and I told you I'm making coffee. So protein bar and this little guy for the kettle. All right, super important stuff. gimbal that I use to do the shoot with. All right, I'm gonna leave my puffy jacket down there because it's a puffy jacket. I have to stay hydrated, so water, 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 or let's go. Tripod, an apple, more water. All right, so again, rainproof pants and an extra shirt in case I got rained on. That is everything in there. Trust me, there was plenty of space for plenty more things. This is all the stuff. So, all of that stuff with plenty of space to spare. It is insane to have this much storage and a motorcycle. Okay, let's wrap the video up. I cannot believe the quality of those things, even though I guess I should. They are not cheap, but they're awesome. That's so cool that they fit so perfectly on this motorcycle. And the bike looks good with them. Yeah. You know what I mean? Like, it's one of those bikes that just, it looks good with some baggage on it. Super excited to have this. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. And also, I'll put a link to these guys in the description if you guys want to check them out for yourself. This is so exciting. I'm Chaseontwowheels. Hit the like button, put OC in your comment if you got this far because you're in the outro crew. And I will see you guys in the next video where we'll probably install more stuff on the Ibex because, as you guys can see, that pile is basically bigger than the Papio. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Later.